Walking into my bank with a $24,000 check that I made wholesaling a house right here in Oklahoma. Look at the check amount, look at the number, look at the date on it. Literally just yesterday, and I'm sitting here at Bank of Oklahoma. If you don't think flipping houses and wholesaling houses in Oklahoma is possible to make this kind of money, somebody is giving you bad advice, or they just don't know how to do it, okay? Who I am, I'm Tez Arberta. I'm from Oklahoma City, born and raised, and I wholesale all over, not only in Oklahoma, but in other states as well. But I want to make it real for you. This is for the people in Oklahoma who want to learn how to wholesale houses, how to make life-changing money, do the things that they want to do, right? And also prove all the haters wrong and say wholesaling is not possible or that it's fake. If you don't know what wholesaling is, let's run through that real quick. What a wholesale is when we go under contract on a piece of property and then we sell that property to an investor or somebody who wants to live in it even. But most times we're selling it to a buyer who wants to either fix and flip it, which is like the HGTV style when they remodel it and put it back on the market, right? Or they want to make it a rental property, or they want to make it an Airbnb, or they want to do whatever they want to do. But how do we find people who want to sell their house low enough for us to wholesale it, right? Basically sell it again and make a profit like 24 G's, even more. Well, a lot of times we're coming in contact with people who we refer to as motivated sellers, okay? People who have motivation to sell their property. Now, what does that motivation look like? It's a lot different for a lot of people, okay? So some people could be going through a divorce. Some people could have a tax lien against their property. Somebody could be a tired landlord, right? They tried the investing thing, they hate it. Now they want to sell all of their rental properties off. Okay, they could be somebody who inherited a property. Their family member maybe passed away, something like that. Maybe they're up there in age and they need to get out of the house. Whatever the situation is, we're there to help them by way of buying it for a price that works for them and then selling it to a buyer for a price that works for them. What I want to do is give you a free masterclass and teach you exactly how wholesaling should work, how it goes down, and how you can be walking into the bank, driving a car you absolutely love with a check amount that is fat right here in Oklahoma. I want to show you that. Go ahead and click learn more right now above me, on the side of me, below me. Come through to my Verified Flippers Masterclass. I have a coaching program with over 160 students as of now, right? And we just got started. These are people local to your city learning what you want to learn and what you should learn so you can go change your life and also help other people out of troubled situations while making life-changing money. Come on through, click through, and see my free masterclass. Let's get you started. See you later. I got to check the cash.